Do you want to use AI to easily make YouTube banners like this one, or this one? Then be sure to stick around. So in the description I will place a link that you have to click, and that's a LoRa that you will have to download. You put it in the ComfyUI LoRa's folder and then you can move on. So when you've done that, we are going to use this LoRa. This LoRa is trained on an SDXL model, so any SDXL model should work. But for me, I'm going to use Epic Realism XL. So if you want to download that model, go ahead, it's Epic Realism XL. Then we insert a LoRa point, which is our banner design. It's called a banner design. Then we add a clip set layer. We set it at -2. We add an empty latent image. And you can use any width or height that you prefer. It's trained on many different sizes. We are going to set a prompt. There are a couple of keywords that you need to know. Now, first of all is the banner design. This triggers the LoRa. That's going to be useful for you. Like, you need it in your prompt. Then there are a couple of styles that we can do. We can do a colorful style. We can also do a, let me just write it down. We can do a clean style. We can do a modern style. And we have a formal style. So those are the 4 keywords that you can do. You can use to get 4 different types of results for banners. This is all you need. You can just copy the entire workflow. This is not part of it. You can also use the VAE of the actual checkpoint, which in fact I'm using that, but this is everything you need. If you have a more advanced workflow that you want to use, go ahead. Then you click on run and you will get a result. However, within your generations, you will not be able to generate text very well. It may also happen that it won't actually centralize the logo, which is kind of unfortunate. This is why we have our second workflow, which is in templates. In templates, you type in Qwen and you go to Qwen image edit. You tap on this one and we will have our Qwen image edit workflow. And this is very easy to use. We just need to remove all the text. For example, we just remove all the text and we have our textless banner. It's that easy. It's literally that easy. Now, of course, because AI cannot really generate text very well, you will need to add your own text in Photoshop, or you can go to Gemini, which can in fact do text very well, and place your banner there. So the reason why we want to use this instead of Gemini is mostly because we have more control here than we do with Gemini, because this runs on our local computer. But as you can see, the result is great. You can also centralize the logo itself if you want to centralize the logo. And yeah, this is the tutorial. That was it. See you next time.